Seventh graders, this is to help you with question 3 on CR 24. It says, reference the table below that lists the number of left-handed and right-handed pitchers on several high school baseball teams. Okay. How many left-handed pitchers do the Lions need in order to have the same ratio of left-handers to right-handers as the Rabbits have? Okay, so we have our Rabbits. And they say left-handers to right-handers. So that means I have to do left-handers to right-handers. Then on the other side, I'll do Lions. Because they say, how many left-hand pitchers do the Lions need in order to have the same ratio as the Rabbits? So left-handed to right-handed. Okay. So I look at the Rabbits. Left-handed is 6, right-handed is 3. Then I look at the Lions. And I say, I don't know how many left-handed, but I know my right-handed is 2. So, a couple of ways to go about this. First, I could just look at my denominators and say, well, what do I have to multiply 3 by to get to 2? Well, I'd multiply 3 by 2/3 to get to 2. If I'm multiplying 3 by 2/3, I have to multiply 6 by 2/3. 6 times 2/3, sorry, that's a multiplication. Those are written a little close together. So now I have to do 6 times 2/3. 6 is the same as 6 over 1. I could multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I can tell you the answer is 4. I want to look at it another way. If you have 6 over 3 equals how many over 2? Lots of ways you can go about it. You could say, oh, 3 times 2 gets me to 6. 2 times 2 would get me to 4. I could also take my 6/3 and simplify it. I could divide this by 3. I could divide this by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then I could say 2 to 1 is what to 2? And multiply denominator and numerator by 2 and come up with 4. Lots of ways to go about this problem. But in simplest form, you have to have a ratio of 2 to 1. 6 to 3. 6 to 3 in simplest form. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So in simplest form, you have to have 2 to 1. So if something over 2 has to become 2 to 1. And that's how I know, oh, I need a number that when I divide by 2, I come up with 2. 4 to 2 is the same as 2 to 1. 6 to 3 is the same as 2 to 1. Or you just have to recognize that when you set up your original ratio, 3 times 2/3, those 3's cancel out, get you back to 2, so that means you can multiply 6 by 2/3. I don't know, that was a little long-winded. Didn't love that video, but I hope it helped for some of you.